Hello everybody, my name is Disuko, and we got a little overhead camera today to unbox something rather silly. It just came in the mail today. You may see that it is an Armshark product there, covered in balisongs with designs that they do not own. Love to see it. So anyways, this is kind of a clone, in the sense that it steals a design from a pre-existing balisong, but it's a little special. So I suppose let's open this. It says, the package is happy to see you. That is very good to know. Alright, so we open it up. We're gonna unbox this clone with a clone. You can see what we have here is a very interesting balisong. It's in the little pickle sack. There it is. It is a kraken. This is not the normal size that the Squid Industries Kraken comes in. You know, in case you were wondering and wanted to buy one. I guess I do have my kraken here to compare it to. You can see it is almost half the size of the real kraken. Here is the size of the kraken opened. Here's the size of this guy opened. It's not small, it's average. I don't even know if this will be flippable. I can certainly try. It kind of works. It needs some oil. So let me put some oil on it real quick, and then I will get to the items that came with it. Work in the oil real quick. Wow, that is really grindy. Although adding the oil did help a little bit. Wow. Oh my god. Alright, so let's take a look at what we get in the Armshark mini kraken box. We have a little tool. This one's interesting. I have not actually seen this tool before. It's like a what is this? It's T8, I think? Yeah. So we got some little T8 screws on the boy right there, and it comes with an interestingly shaped screwdriver. I'm assuming it's shaped like this so we're able to get more torque out of it. The tolerances on this are ridiculous for how small it is. No tap or play, so the little tiny bushings are clearly tuned in a decently good manner. So that is brilliant. In terms of flipping, I mean, it flips, kind of. It's so little, it's just really light, and it just likes to fly away. Do you have any info about this thing on the package? It doesn't look like it. I guess I'll add the specs over top of the video in editing. This is so funny. It's very shiny. I have my purple light here. You can kind of see it's reflecting on it. That's one thing with clones, is they hardly ever put a finish on the blade, but it looks like this one, they have actually, if my camera would focus, they have put a stonewash kind of finish on it, which is pretty cool. It bounced! Oh my god! This is so dumb. Don't talk to me or my son ever again. Wow. Well, that is going to do it for this little unboxing video. If you liked it, remember to like and subscribe. This is just so stupid, but honestly worth every penny. This is amazing. The tiny jimping for tiny ladders. Wow. It's smaller than I thought it would be in the pictures, which is just so funny. Like, they weren't lying when they said it was a mini kraken. That is so great. Okay, that's all I have for this guy. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.